Welcome. Picture yourself feeling more vibrant, focused, and alive, simply by moving gently and breathing with intention. In this session, you'll join me for a gentle flow you can do standing or sitting. If you're new, feel free to watch a few repetitions before joining in. Just follow me like you're watching yourself in a mirror. There's absolutely no pressure. Let's start with our feet about shoulder width apart in a grounding position. Have your arms out and away from your body, but yet completely relaxed. There are a couple ways you can do this position. One, with your fingertips pointed down, or for a stronger grounding feeling, you can stand with the palms of your hands facing the ground. Now, with your feet slightly wider apart, we're going to swing our arms back and forth, again, completely relaxed. Your back arm should hit your lower back. My arms are a little long, so they go a little bit beyond that. As you twist, move your head with your shoulders, and for a little bit of a deeper stretch, you can look over the shoulder as your head turns back. And now, if you want to try, leave your head facing forward as just your torso is swinging back and forth. And now begin to slow down. We're now going to do some deep breaths as you bring your hands into soft fists and roll your shoulders back. Inhale as you go back, and exhale as you come forward and round your back. As you exhale on the forward motion, tuck your tailbone. Feel free to move at your own pace. This is your last inhale, and then bring your palms down. Keeping your feet in the same position, bring your arms up like goalposts. We're going to alternate lifting our arms like we're inside of a pane of glass. As you reach up, don't shift your hips, you're just reaching with your upper body. And now we'll bring both arms down. On this next move, we're going to bring the palms of both of our hands up facing the sky. Shift your arms to the right, and as you bring your hands to your left hip, try to keep your palms facing up. Your hands then slide to your right hip. As the palms of your hands face the sky, your fingers point behind you. Circle your fingers around so they point in front of you as you bring them down to your left hip. Get ready to reverse this movement. Bring your hands left and down to your right hip. Across with your fingers pointing towards you, and then up above your right shoulder, over to the left. As you move, imagine you are trying to balance a teacup on the palm of your hand. When your hands move from your right hip to your left hip, your fingers should be pointed in and your palms up. This is the last one. When your arms are up, bring them gently down to your sides. Inhale as you bring your hands in, and exhale as you turn your palms out, looking over your left shoulder. Inhale, bringing your palms in. Exhale, looking out and over your right shoulder. Turn with your thumbs pointing back as far as feels comfortable. You should feel a light stretch, but nothing painful. Move with your breath at your own pace. After this last one, bring your hands back to the grounding position. On this next movement, only bend down as far as feels comfortable for you. Bring your hands to the insides of your ankles, up the insides of your legs, crossing over your torso, raise onto your toes, and release. Now start on the outsides of your arms, moving up and behind your head and going down the sides of your body. Come up and raise to your toes again and release. Going back down to the insides of our ankles, coming up, crossing your torso, up the back sides of your arms, and release. Now come up the outsides of your opposite arms, coming down the fronts of your shoulders, down your sides, to the tips of your feet, and raise up again, and release. This is the last one. To release any additional stagnant energy, we're going to inhale, lift on our toes, quickly exhale, and release. Inhale and release. And now relax. Next, we're going to inhale as we float our arms up and exhale as we bring them down. Inhale and exhale. Move at your own pace to match your breath. Relax in a moment in the grounding position. Now bring your hands in and inhale, and exhale as you glide them out. Bring the backs of your hands together. Bring your hands up and push out. Circle your hands out in front of you. Bring your hands back in as you inhale, and exhale as your hands glide out. Inhale as the back of your hands come in together. Exhale as you press out. Inhale as you circle your hands out and around. And exhale as your hands glide out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. After the next exhale, we're going to change. Bring your hands up and spiral out. Bring your hands up and out to the sides. Spiral your hands back, bringing your hands down to scoop up energy. Form a ball of white light energy in front of you. Bring it up over your head as you inhale and wash it through your body as you exhale. And now we'll float our wrists up again and relax them down. Inhale into a ball of energy and glide your hands out on the exhale. Inhale as you bring the backs of your hands together, and exhale as you push out. Bring your hands overhead again, opening them out and spiraling down. Scoop up energy and make that ball of white light energy in front of you. Inhale as you bring it over your head, and exhale as you wash the energy through your body. Float your wrists up and gently bring them down again. Inhale as you bring the energy in, and exhale as your palms go out. Inhale and push out. Push your hands out to open the door to the horizon. Spiral your hands behind you and down in front of you. This time bring energy up and pour it directly into your heart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release your hands and sigh. Now we're going to bring our wrists up to shoulder height and do a slow whip before we bring our hands back down. Breathe into the ball of energy and float your hands out. Bring the backs of the palms of your hands together. Exhale as you push out. Open the door to the horizon. Spiral your hands back. Bring them down in front of you. Bring more energy up and into your heart again. Take a deep breath and exhale with a sigh. Bring your wrists up high again and do a slow whip, and exhale as you settle your hands back down. Bring your hands back into the ball of energy. Glide your hands out. Bring the backs of your hands together. Push forward. This time bring your hands above, opening the doorway to the sky. Spiral your hands out and behind you. Bring them down in front of you. This time, going to gather energy from all around us, bringing it into the top of our head. Take a deep breath as you move your elbows forward, and exhale as you wash this energy and light down through your body. Float your hands up high again for the slow whip, and exhale as you bring your hands back down. Bring your hands into the ball of energy. Float your hands out again. Bring the backs of your hands together and press out, bringing your hands up above you to open up the sky. Circle behind you. Bring your hands down in front of you and gather the energy from all around you, pouring it into the top of your head. And take a deep breath. Bring your elbows together and exhale as that energy and light flows down through your body. Gently raise your wrists up high again for the whip. And then bring your hands down as you exhale. Now bring your feet in together. Put the palms of your hands on your lower abdomen. Reach your right hand out as you inhale and exhale as you bring it down straight in front of you. Now reach your left hand out as you inhale and exhale as you bring that energy down. Use this time to bring this energy in and build within your body. Now rest your hands and close your eyes and move like bamboo in the wind. We will be here for about 40 seconds. Now step out with your feet if you'd like to for better balance. We're going to circle our abdomen up on the right, across, and down on the left. Across, up on the right, across, and down on the left. Slowly bring those circles in. Take one last deep breath and release. Thank you for joining us today. The more you try practicing this routine, the more powerful it will become.